We're gonna live here. We're gonna live here. On this tarp.
Welcome to Tubs Around the World, where we explore our amazing planet, one bathtub at a time.
In this video, we're going to show you how we constructed a shed with loft from the ground up with literally zero experience.
In order to complete this project, we bought a kit from Bunkie Life. It's a company that's sort of like IKEA, but for tiny cabins. They give you the instructions and the materials, but then you're on your own. Now, according to Bunkie Life, the build should only take 2 days with 2 people. So we figured between me, Rowan, her parents, and our friend Russell, we should get it done in no time.
Except what we weren't prepared for was how complicated laying the foundation would be. There are many ways to go about it, but we chose deck blocks, and those aren't a part of the kit.
First, we had to clear the site, which included removing a bunch of tree stumps. Then we measured and dug shallow holes for the foundations. We spent 2 whole days leveling the foundations.
The weather didn't exactly cooperate. We used rock gravel because it's good for drainage and creates a solid base. Then we tamped down the gravel to get it as flat as possible. This is a key step, and it's also a great upper body workout.
If we were to do it again, we would definitely rent a laser level. But we made it work with just the bubble and our caveman eyeballs. We used 6x6 beams on top of the blocks. Honestly, finishing the foundation might have been as satisfying as finishing the actual build. Almost.
While Dan went into full engineer mode, making sure that the leveling was perfect, my mom and I unpacked all the pieces in the kit. Bunkie Life packs their kits in reverse order, so you need to unpack and inventory everything before you begin. Dodger helped too.
Once the groundwork was laid, we were off to the races.
Dodger was so eager to help out and be a part of the building action.
Once we finished the shed walls, it was time to build the loft.
We made sure all the boards were completely flush.
We rented a nail gun, which definitely made things a lot quicker.
Dodger didn't really like the noise. When you're working from 7 a.m. to sunset, it's easy to forget to eat, so sometimes you need snacks delivery directly to the worksite. But then the build must go on.
Once we got the roof beams in, we were on the home stretch. We did as many roof boards as we felt we safely could, but we had roofers in to install the last few, as well as the tin roof, which also isn't part of the kit. We decided to add insulation between the sleeper boards. This wasn't part of the kit either, but it should keep us cooler in the summer and warmer in the fall. And finally, we put in the floor.
And there you have it, a homemade shed with loft.
This will be our work and creation space for the time we spend living up here. Hey, it's us again. Thanks so much for watching. We put a lot of work into this place, and you can see it's really coming along.
We can't wait to make a bunch more videos for ourselves and for you guys. We're gonna put it all together here in this space.
So don't forget to like and subscribe for more projects like these, and of course travel videos to tubs around the world.
See you in the next one.